skies a tricolor enunciating the national further in its purest form.
As we mentioned earlier, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, PVSM, AVSM, VM.
Behind the Daksh, you can now see the Advanced Light Helicopters Mark IV of the Indian Army, known as the Rudra. They are an advanced and armed variant of Advanced Light Helicopter developed for attack role, close air support and high altitude operations.
Next in line are the Light Combat Helicopters Prachand of the Indian Air Force. This indigenous helicopter has been designed to operate at very high altitudes.
Last but not the least, behind Prachands, we can now see the Advanced Light Helicopter Mark I Dhruv of the Sarang Helicopter Display Team, the only 4 military helicopter display team in the world with such unique maneuvers and a color scheme. Next formation will be the Gurukul formation. In the lead, we will have the light combat aircraft flown by the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, PVSM, AVSM, VM, ADC, along with Group Captain Prashant. The Air Chief being part of the Gurukul is only appropriate as he has been an instructor par excellence in the IAF, much like Guru Dronacharya. The other aircraft along are Hawk Intermediate Jet Trainer and HTT-40 right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gurukul formation.
Coming in from your left is the Embraer 145 aircraft mounted with an indigenous airborne early warning and control system known as Netra, our own eye in the sky. This high-value aerial asset is always accompanied by dedicated fire escorts to shoot down any potential threats during wartime.
Coming up from your right now will be the Indian Navy's P-8I multi-mission maritime patrol aircraft. This military derivative of the next generation 737-800 combines superior performance and reliability with an advanced mission system that ensures maximum interoperability in the future battle space. The aircraft undertakes a wide range of missions including ISR, anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, the Indian Navy's P-8I.